Hello everyone, welcome to My Chanel Health Forever. In this video, you will learn how to lose extra fat from your body. For a limited time, you can get a 75% discount by clicking the link in the video description below. If the link doesn't work, simply copy and paste the link into your browser. Then press enter. The discount will be automatically applied. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into today's topics. The so-called ice hack for weight loss has gained attention on social media, particularly on platforms like TikTok. Advocates of this approach claim that drinking ice water and taking a dietary supplement called Alpilean can raise the body's internal temperature, thereby boosting metabolism and rapidly dissolving stubborn fat. However, health professionals and experts raise concerns about the validity and safety of this method. The science behind the ice hack, Alpilean, the key component of the ice hack, is promoted as a supplement designed to optimize internal body temperature. However, registered dietitians and healthcare experts argue that the scientific link between body temperature and weight gain is weak. The product relies on a 2020 study suggesting a correlation between lower internal body temperature and increased body mass. Nevertheless, broader research indicates that factors such as calorie intake and physical activity play more significant roles in weight gain. Warnings and red flags. Health professionals, including Kimberly Gomer, a registered dietitian, warn against the ice hack due to several red flags. Alpilean claims that no changes in diet or exercise are required, which contradicts established principles of healthy weight management. Moreover, the product heavily relies on influencer testimonials, raising authenticity concerns. One viral ad for Alpilean was even removed by YouTube for violating spam policies. Efficacy of the ice hack. The concept of increasing body temperature to facilitate weight loss is not new, and similar claims are made by thermogenic products or fat burners. However, experts like Kelsey Latimer, a certified eating disorder specialist, express skepticism about the safety and efficacy of such supplements. Government health agencies have not endorsed weight loss supplements, and the FDA has identified numerous tainted products containing harmful ingredients. Ingredients in Alpilean. Alpilean boasts a blend of ingredients, including deca nut, golden algae, drumstick tree leaf, bigarade orange, ginger root, and turmeric root. However, scientific support for the weight loss benefits of these ingredients is limited. While some studies suggest potential effects, comprehensive human trials are often lacking. Conclusion: the ice hack for weight loss, involving the consumption of ice water and Alpilean, lacks robust scientific evidence. Experts emphasize the importance of a balanced lifestyle, including a healthy diet, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep for sustainable weight management. Consumers are urged to be cautious about unverified claims and to prioritize proven methods over potentially misleading shortcuts. Don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share with others, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.